Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. I have a bit solutions, so I'm telling you one by one. You guys have to just follow it and your issue will be solved. So let's get started. First of all, you guys have to make sure that you are not using brand new Facebook account. So if you are using Facebook new account, then Facebook will not allow new buys to access Facebook Marketplace. So in order to access Facebook Marketplace, you guys have to use Facebook old account. And the second solution is you guys have to make sure that your location is correct. For example, in some of the areas or in some of the countries, Facebook Marketplace is not available. If there is not available, so you guys have to check those countries where marketplace is not available. If your country is available in Facebook Marketplace, then don't worry about it. You guys have to simply follow the step 3. Step 3 is you guys have to make sure that to access the Facebook Marketplace, your age should be more than 18. So if your age is less than 18, then you guys also can't access to Facebook Marketplace because Facebook Marketplace is only available for adults or users whom ages are more than 18. So in order to make your age more than 18, you guys have to simply go to settings. In setting and personal information, you guys have to edit your birthday and you guys have to make your age more than 18. So your issue will be fixed and you can access Facebook Marketplace. If you are still facing an error, you guys have to follow fourth step. The fourth step is make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook. So in order to make sure the latest version on Facebook, you guys have to simply open a Facebook app on Play Store. So here in the Facebook, you guys have to just check that if your Facebook is available and it's up to date. So it's okay. If does not, you guys have to just update it because in some time in your updated version, you guys can access Marketplace. So if your issue is still not fixed, you guys have to simply follow the 5 step. The fifth step is you guys have to just log into your web browser. Sometime Facebook Marketplace is not available in Facebook app, so you guys have to just simply open up any of your browser. Here you guys have to simply search for facebook.com. So after searching for facebook.com, you guys have to just enter it and you guys can use Facebook on web. So in the web, you guys can easily access the Facebook Marketplace. So here are some of the solutions. By following this, you guys can easy to access Facebook Marketplace. I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.